Hey friends, welcome back. I get asked a lot about beginner tricks, and so today's video, I'm gonna teach you my very favorite beginner trick. We're gonna learn how to Daffy. And this is my favorite because it looks a lot harder than it is, and it's so good for learning your balance, controlling your skates, and really good style. This video is also beginner to advanced, but at the end here, we're gonna go advanced, and I'm gonna teach you advanced versions of the Daffy. For my advanced skaters who've mastered the Daffy, if you want, go skip ahead to 446. There are a couple skills you probably wanna know first. First, you wanna know how to skate, just your regular 2-foot glide, and be comfortable with balancing. If you're stuck on this step, go back and rewatch my video, how to rollerblade, and my video, how to balance. You also maybe want a little bit of practice balancing on one foot because this is a balance trick. You don't have to hold it for too long. You want to be comfortable with your scissor. So that's when you skate 1 foot forward. Step 1, let's learn our heel roll. Scissor your feet, lift up your front toe, and we're rolling our heel. I want you to really put pressure on that heel and feel what it feels like. You can kind of weave this front foot. I want you to get really comfortable. Next, we're gonna do the toe roll, which is what you do with your back foot. That scissor. Now you're gonna lift up your heel and roll your toe. We'll really pressure the toe so you can feel it. You can kind of wiggle it. So at this point, we should have our heel roll down and our toe roll down. And if not, just practice it. Go out, practice heel roll and toe roll. For the Daffy, it's that heel roll and toe roll put together. You can try from a standstill first, and believe it or not, it's actually gonna be way harder from a standstill than moving. You can even hold on to something just while you get a feel for it. Scissor your feet, you pick which foot you like forward, favorite foot forward, and you also get another choice here. You can either start with your heel or you can start with your toe. I think it's easier to start with your heel, but I do know a lot of kiddos who like it better with their toe first. So that's a preference, try both. So heel, hold that pressure like we practiced, lock that front knee, now add your toe and hold it. Now I'm holding onto something here, but this is a good opportunity, maybe let go and hold it. See how hard it is to balance from a standstill? Now let's try toe first. So toe, add the heel to balance from a standstill. Now it's time to add the speed. You don't want too much speed, but just enough speed for the coasting. So favorite foot forward, just pop up onto your heel, now pop up onto your toe and hold it. Now we're gonna do it toe first. So toe, press with that toe, knees bent, we're nice and low. Now add the heel and hold it. Now if this is feeling really good, this is when you can make it a little trickier and pop up onto your heel and toe at the same time. So back to flat, and 3, 2, 1, same time. Ooh, don't go over cracks. Well, as I said, this is my favorite beginner trick, so I've actually taught this a lot. At the skate school where I used to work, the kids, this was like what they all dreamed of being able to do. I would start the day with being like, what are your goals? And all the little kiddos, I want to learn a Daffy. This was like the main thing that we worked towards. So I've taught it a lot, and I can tell you the biggest mistake or the hardest thing that I saw, or kind of the struggle point for the kids, was they just couldn't hold it. So they would try to pop up and then they'd come right down. Try to pop up, come right down. And this just goes to show that it's really all about practice and finding the balance. Just keep doing it. So you're gonna skate and just keep trying. If you pop back down, try again, try again. No tutorial or anything that I say is gonna replace the power of repetition. Just keep trying. You got this. Once you get this part down, this is when you can actually add some style. You can move your feet back and forth. You can snake around, that's really fun. Some people will do some fancy things with their arms, make it look cool and stylish. Remember guys, this trick is all about balance. This is gonna make you so good at balance because it's really just all about finding your balance point and holding it. So once you're here and you got this down, this is where you can make it more advanced. This is kind of when you snake it, which could be really fun. You can squat down and do it. Get some speed. Squat real low. This one, you're gonna start on your toe, add your heel. Arms up. Woo! Just switch your feet back and forth, so. And just kind of switch back and forth. Looks kind of cool and fun. If you do it from a standstill, it's almost like a dance move.
A lot of people will spin it.
There's also the Daffy spin. Actually spin up in your Daffy, so you kind of go into your Daffy and you spin it. You could even kind of spin it around 180. So just know this is core for going so much more advanced with your freestyle, your dancing, your slalom, your movement, all of your skating.
A lot of advanced freestyle, slalom, and even aggressive tricks happen on the toes and heels, and Daffy is a foundation for all of that. So I really want to stress how core this skill is, especially if you're working toward freestyle progression.
If you're wondering why do I call it a Daffy, it actually comes from skiing. Skiers, they do it in the air. I've never tried this before, but let's see if I can do the version of a Daffy. So on skis, they get some hang time and they, right, like point their heel and toe together. And I actually don't know. Let me know if rollerbladers do that. But skiers also can do a butter Daffy, which is when they're on the ground, and that's actually a real Daffy, using their tips and tails in a butter. So it's kind of cool. That's a good example of a skiing, inline skating crossover. So learn your Daffy. Let me know which foot you like forward more. And let me know if you're gonna get out there and try it today. I hope this video inspired you to make your skating more tricky and more fun and more stylish. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.